Friends, this is another menu we have got for you. The menu is a North Indian menu and we have shifted ourselves towards the state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan was once upon a time that was the biggest state. That is now it is also that is one of the biggest states. It has got all the tastes. You will have the desert, you will have the sand dunes, you will have the nice cities, nice foods, nice people, nice culture and nice history. If you go to Rajasthan, you will feel getting lost into the atmosphere of Rajasthan because Rajasthan is so huge, so vast, so beautiful that history is all over. History will make you think that what once upon a time the kingly state, the princely state, they used to have the food items in which manner. So today I am Bankim Jordan, head of the department and in charge of the quantity training engine on this 12th of August 2025 with the group D of the third semester BSc HHE program students. We are presenting this menu before you for the purpose of getting the rooms for improvement for you so that you can tell us that where we have made the mistake. The dialog box is open. You can send your request, you can send your queries so that we can also improve ourselves. So without taking much time, we have got our student friend Mr. Sumit Jadon and he will brief you up regarding the menu. I will again join at the end of the scene.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sumit Singh. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science, Hospitality and Hotel Management. This is Group D from second year, third sem. We make Rajasthani cuisine. And Rajasthan is famous for its royal culture and tradition. And so today, what our students make, we.
So good afternoon everyone. My name is Rishabh Rathod. As you all know, today we had prepared Rajasthani menu in which I prepared this salad. So you can see the salad and its color contrast like a white plate and with a green chilies and all the color combinations are looking very well. So salad is not just about round shapes of vegetables. It's about creativeness and art which you can present in front of guests so that you can make this salad as a 5-star salad. As you can see, today I had made a rose from a tomato pulp with a mint leaf so that it looks very real. So as I would like to say, this is a perfect 5-star salad because it shows the creativeness, art. So you can also learn as a art. So please join IHM Gwalior so that you can level up your creativeness and art to this level. Thank you so much. Please take it.
This rice is good and it's a proper cutting of this. And next is Missi Roti. Mr. Vivekpal, please explain.
Namaskar friends, I am Vivekpal, the student of second year. Today we prepared this Missi Roti. It's a dish of Rajasthan. And here we add turmeric powder, kasturi methi and flour, and we add a besan also. And we make a dough and we prepared it by fry. You can see the texture. You can see it's perfectly baked. Let's taste
Supervisor,
it.
please help in tasting. Give your friends so that they can pass their comments because until and unless we taste,
It is properly
picture does
baked
not
and
clear.
tasted too good. And next is boiled rice, made by Mr. Shivam Yadav.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. माय नेम इज शिवम यादव. और राइस, पहले राइस को वॉश किया, उसके बाद पानी को रख दिया और पानी को बॉईल करके राइस को निकाला.
Make some comment on the presentation of the rice, supervisor. How was the presentation made and how does it look like?
Look like it's too good and properly baked. Properly boiled, and it's too good. And
What about the color contrast? Do you have any sensation regarding the color contrast out here?
color is too good. And next is lal mas, made by Sanika Pal.
Good afternoon everyone. As you all know, today is Rajasthani menu. So me and Yash have prepared lal mas. It is a famous dish in Rajasthan made specially made with Mathania chili that is from Rajasthan, that is used to give the red color to the mutton. We have made this by washing the mutton first, and then we have taken ginger garlic paste, then we have sorted all the unsliced onions, and then we have added whole spices, then we have added mutton. We have added mutton and sorted it for like 5 to 10 minutes till the water, until the mutton will release the water, and then we have added the ginger garlic paste, then we have again sorted a little bit, then we have pressure cooker it for like 15 to 20 minutes. Let me taste it.
Cameraman, just have a close-up of the dish. I can see that the dish is very much mouth-watering and it's very much eye-appealing also. The student, she is trying to mix up the gravy. She's trying to taste it. We can see there is a lot of like oil inside it. After having it, how do you feel, Sanika? How is it?
It is spicy, but the spiciness is balanced and the salt is also balanced. You will not feel too much spicy in your throat. It is not hitting in the throat. It's good. The color is also good. It is
Somebody
red.
please pass your comment on the doneness of the mutton. Is it soft? Somebody
Let the
please hold the
supervisor
mutton. We can
taste.
see the bone of the mutton. The mutton, I think it's soft. Mr. Brijmohan Gabrani ji, he has helped in cooking the mutton. The mutton fiber is visible. The supervisor is tasting it. Cameraman, just have it okay. Ask the person, the supervisor, how did you feel it?
Sir, it's very good and taste is too good. And color and texture is very attractive.
Friends, one thing I will tell you, I will confess the reality. See, the quality of the mutton which we get out here, that is a little bit tough, little bit tight. So what happens, I'm not saying it's bad. It takes a lot of time to cook. Maybe because of the atmospheric difference, maybe because of the geographical difference, maybe because of the breed of the like a goat, or the quality of their food which the goat or the animal is offered. So that is a different issue. Now when we cook the mutton, we have to cook it in the pressure cooker. So you know it very well, when we cook something in the pressure cooker, the actual taste, it does not remain, because in the pressure cooker, with the application of the pressure inside that container, that is a pressure cooking vessel, the taste gets mixed up. Taste develops when you cook it on the in an iron kadai, or on a like chulha, that is mud chulha, or the wooden log fire. But here it's not possible in that particular way. But if you really want to make it in this Rajasthani style of lal mas at your home, you please make it in the wooden log fire and in an iron kadai or in some other kadai, or say I will suggest in this way that you have an earthenware container. The taste will enhance manifoldly. It will increase up to the maximum possible extent. So that is one room for improvement I have seen into it. After that we have got gatte ki sabzi. Supervisor, just pass your comment on its appearance.
Its texture is good. And Sunny Yadav, please explain gatte ki sabzi.
Good afternoon everyone. Today we have a prepared gatte ki sabzi. वो बेसन, रेड चिली, टर्मरिक, सॉल्ट, अजवाइन, कोरिएंडर मिक्स, एंड फिर वाटर में 10 मिनट बॉयल, फिर शेप, मिक्स एंड ऑनियन, रेड चिली, स्पाइसेस एंड थिंग कैन बी टेस्टेड.
Somebody please taste it and pass your comment. And the viewers would like to listen to both types of comments, that is positive and negative. If you have done any mistake, please confess before the viewers regarding the
taste is good and taste is mouth watering and texture is too good.
एंड सॉफ्ट.
And salt and chili is balanced. And
Okay.
next this is moong dal halwa made by Uday Singh. Please explain it.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Uday Singh and I am a student IHM Gwalior second year, and you can watch their moong dal halwa. Basically you can see, you can watch, and you will understand this is a suji halwa, but this is not a suji halwa. This is moong dal halwa, which is famous for Rajasthan, and you want to make this at your home. Then you will, starting from first of all you wash properly moong dal and paste in the mixie, and you will make it, and
okay. Somebody please taste it and pass your comment. Give it to the supervisor, give it to Vivek, give it to your friends also. You also taste it, because we know that when we
It's too sweet and baked properly, and its taste was too good.
What kind of message would you like to keep to those students who are in class 11th and 12th? So, Mr. Supervisor, you tell the students on the other side of the camera.
11th, 10th student, please join it, and it's true for hotel management is join, and it's too good, like for career opportunities.
Seen the episode of the day, and we have presented the thing which we have prepared today. C is the limit for making the food preparation in quantity training kitchen, in advanced training kitchen, in basic training kitchen, in bakery of the hotel management. We have got a number of kitchens out here. We have got 3 bakeries out here. We have got 1 hotel which is being operated internally, and we have got many more things which will be only possible to know by you, that is the students, if you come to IHM Gwalior for doing the courses. We have got various courses, that is 3-year BSc HHA program under the National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Then we have got the affiliation from the Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi. Those who are not interested in hotel management, they can go to some other like avenues, that's very true. But the moment you see the food in the hotel where you are going, you will definitely feel that perhaps I could have this particular skill of making the food or talking in this particular manner. This particular point will come into your mind in the in sooner or later, I will say. So those who are interested in cooking and those who are interested in having the food, then they have to come to the hotel management, because until and unless you do the hotel management, the nook and corner, the each and every angle will not be very much clear to you. So that is why, friends, if you were having 10+2 degree or the certificate from any stream, that is science, arts, commerce, or any other stream, you are eligible for the hotel management. And you know that sky is the limit for the knowledge. Once you complete the course, you will get the job in the 5-star hotels, you will get the job in defense sector, you will get the job in consultancies, you will be getting offer from abroad also. So there is no end of it. The thing is, which is required out here, that is your interest, your initiative to come and explore IHM Gwalior. So we are always available out here from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Our discipline committee members, our staff members, our student members are always ready to help you out, friends. So please step in, please rush in, please run in. We are here to explain each and everything in the Institute of Hotel Management. So this is Institute of Hotel Management, Airport Road, Maharajpura, Gwalior. PIN is 474005, Madhya Pradesh State, India. Our website address is www.ihmgwalior.org. So friends, wherever you are, may God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay nice, stay jolly, stay blessed.